Oh, he literally has a DoorDash order. Nope. No, not the sweet tea.
He just dropped the gun. He just dropped the gun. He's running. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. All right, I'm gonna roll over. On the ground. Roll over. Head on the ground.
Hello, friends. Squink here, former cop, future target asset protection team lead, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down another video and to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Code Blue Cam. Here's why your McDonald's DoorDash order never showed up. Never seen it, walking in blindly, reacting in real time. Here we go.
The person seen fleeing the scene here is Jelen. This is not his car, but as officers race after him in hot pursuit, they will learn that this stolen vehicle will become the least of their concerns.
You're gonna get shot, dude. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Preferably don't shoot him as he's running with your back to you.
On April 6th, 2025, at approximately 12:46 p.m., officers from the Wauwatosa Police Department in Wisconsin respond to an area for a 2022 black Honda Accord reported stolen from the Milwaukee Police Department. As one of the officers spots the same car heading towards a McDonald's in a nearby complex, he begins to follow it with coordinating an action plan with a backup officer en route to the same location. What neither officer realizes is that their seemingly watertight plan is about to fall apart in an instant.
As they usually do. You could think you have the best plan in the world, and then it just goes to shit. That's part of policing.
Hey, firm. It's on the east side of the building. I might be able to contain it because I'm north of it right now. At the at-home parking lot, if we can get someone to come from the south end of the McDonald's. Is there one by the door? I believe so, yes.
The only sketchy thing about boxing a car in
141 enter from the
is
south.
whoever's in front, facing nose to nose, the suspect could easily pull up a gun and just shoot you in the face.
But I'm at the entrance to the south.
10-4, I'll come in from the north.
10-4. Let me know when you're approaching.
I'm approaching, pulling in now.
Get on the ground.
Oh, he literally has a DoorDash order.
Get moved.
Nope.
Foot
No, not the sweet tea.
He just dropped the gun. He just dropped the gun. He's running.
I love when suspects think, oh, if I don't have the gun on me, you can't charge me with it. No, we literally saw you drop it, so your gun. An officer needs to secure the weapon immediately.
Westbound through Lazy Boy. Round Lazy Boy. Coming back out to Mayfair eastbound.
So when they're in foot pursuit like this, the officers need to be calling out everything. They need to be calling out any ditched evidence, any thrown evidence, anything like that, so that the dispatch center can mark exactly what they're saying and where the location of the evidence is so they can go back and get it. Best practice would be to have one of the slowest officers just secure all the evidence while the main
Though
officers
the pursuing
chase
officer
after him.
trips during the chase, he manages to share enough crucial details for a backup officer to take charge, just in time to stop Jelen from disappearing out of sight.
He just dropped the gun. He just dropped the gun. He's running. All spots head towards.
Right here.
This is the part of policing I miss the most.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. All right, I'm gonna roll over. I'm on the ground. Roll over. Head on the ground.
Nice job. Nice job.
Can't resist. Don't move.
Last direction.
Taking him into custody.
The suspect who fled the scene is 21-year-old Jelen. What the officers don't know yet is that Jelen is a convicted felon with a history dating
Jelen the felon. Jellin. Oh, it's perfect. It writes themselves. The jokes write themselves.
Back to 2022 and 2023. In 2022, he was involved in a pursuit with a stolen vehicle. And in 2023, he was found in possession of a firearm as an adjudicated delinquent.
He's been around the block.
Go.
Drop the gun.
105 in custody, 3100 block Mayfair.
Yeah, they want to get that gun secured immediately
With
so
Jellin
no one
finally in
picks it up,
custody,
obviously.
officers began collecting evidence. But Jellin isn't done yet.
You got another gun on you? You got another gun? Yeah, bullshit.
Shut up.
Just money galore.
Negative is just one for now.
My question, why did he have the
Yeah, just
DoorDash order? Did he really steal a vehicle just to DoorDash?
Not yet. Can you just watch that?
Oh, he's on paper. Look at that.
Yeah, you dropped it right outside. You almost got
Make sure that gun's secured.
shot.
I don't know. Find out where it is.
Yeah, he dropped it right outside.
Roll over.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, hold on. Here I come.
I'm getting it right now, sir.
Hold on, sir. Let me pick my pants up.
No.
All right, that's cool.
Keep your hands out.
I am. My bad. I
Stop grabbing for shit.
I apologize. I'm finna get it right now. Give me a second.
Bend your knee up on your knees.
I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry.
He's stalling for a reason. I really believe that. There's a reason he's stalling. I don't know what for yet, but there's a reason. I think we're going to find out. We're going to find out, guys. Let me just unpause it.
Stand up. No, please carry me. Please.
No, dude.
You're an adult. Let's go.
I got it. I know. There's something in his butt. That's, yep. I'm calling it.
Run from the fleet. I finna
Seriously?
get up. No, I finna get up, bro. I ain't bro.
Separate your feet.
Thank you.
There's something in his butt. I guarantee
Here,
you.
walk to that car.
Which one?
Right there.
Yeah.
I could be wrong.
Execution could have been better, but
Still a work in progress.
the implement of it.
Anyone else? Slow it down.
Yeah, it was unoccupied when we pinned it, but then he came out and opened the door. And he's like,
Bro, can you call somebody for me?
No.
No, I don't know them at all.
I almost got fucking shot. Oh.
Good?
Good? Yeah. Sorry, I wanted to stay back for that.
No, I mean, yeah, I saw it come out. I was like, what the f? Hey, can you please grab my phone first?
Check those cuffs and double lock them for me.
What a weird set of circumstances. Why would you be doing legit business in it?
Yeah, that's so weird.
Polymer, no, that's a real Glock.
Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah, I started running, I saw that, and I'm like, I should probably do something.
Probably stick around.
Oh, yeah, like he came out. Why didn't try to reverse?
I think I thought that there was something in his butt because I thought it was strange how he asked them to carry him and how slow he was to get up and how much time he wanted. Because in my mind, that means he's trying to situate things and set him in deeper into his butthole.
Realized it wasn't going to happen, and then he got back out. And then
I can't be right about everything.
more cardio like you.
Hey, way to put that to work.
Dude, I can't believe it worked.
I know, man.
Fireworks going to be so mad.
I know. Good shit.
After bringing Jellin to the station, one of the officers settles in to question him about the incident, only to be surprised when Jellin decides to flip the script.
So you got out of McDonald's. You obviously saw us, right? Jumped in the car, tried to flee in the car, correct?
Yes, sir. I stepped in the vehicle. Yes, sir.
Okay. To flee.
No, sir. Not to flee. No, sir.
What would you get in the vehicle for?
I didn't.
And put it in reverse.
Sir, I just got in the vehicle. I thought you guys were going somewhere totally else, sir.
Well, I don't believe you because then you immediately got out and ran.
Yes, sir.
So-
I ran because I'm a bracelet, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you had a gun on you.
Allegedly.
Well, no, not a lot. Like I physically saw
Allegedly.
the gun fall from the person.
Don't fucking move!
Jellin, that doesn't really
Like
work.
you literally took it out and dropped it on the ground along with the...
Yes, sir. Allegedly.
Okay, so are you saying that you had a gun on you? Or did it just
No,
fall
sir.
from
I'm
thin
not
air?
saying I had a gun on me at all, sir.
So, did you have a gun on you? No. Okay. So why would you run if you didn't have a gun?
He's like, I'm a
and you didn't
DoorDash
flee?
order.
Why would you
I'm a
run?
DoorDasher.
Probably heard this multiple times, but I'm terrified of police officers. I had a cousin killed by you guys. No, he did not have a weapon. It wasn't Wauwatosa police officers.
Well, that's good.
It wasn't exactly you
Well,
guys.
not good. I'm sorry to hear that.
I understand what you're saying. That's why I didn't take it out of disrespect.
Whose car is that?
It's not my car, sir.
Whose is it?
I don't know, sir.
So you just don't know whose car You drive?
So that's the time.
He's like, I reached platinum level on DoorDash, and they bought me the car. It was really nice of them, but that's what you get when you're a really good DoorDasher.
You guys saw me coming out. I didn't physically drive the car, but I did get in the driver's seat of the car.
Okay.
As Jelen tries to wiggle out of trouble, completely denying any involvement, he shifts gears and starts questioning the officer, almost as if he's the one conducting the interrogation.
I understand what you're saying.
So whose car
It's like that scene in Step Brothers.
that you drove, or that you got into?
I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you don't know whose car that is?
No, sir, I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you're just getting in a stranger's car
No,
when you
sir.
saw us?
No, sir. No.
Because you got in, you just admitted to getting in the car.
I'm agreeing with you, sir. I'm agreeing with you.
Sure. So you got in. So either you got into a complete stranger's car randomly
Yes, sir. I'm not saying.
Or you
yes
drove
to
there.
that. I'm not.
in the Honda.
Next question, please. I have a question. What exactly are my charges at the moment?
Probably gonna get another bail jumping.
Where would the bill jumping come from? I'm not out on bill.
Oh well, do you have a PO?
Yes.
Okay, so it'd probably be a probation violation.
Okay, I understand.
And then you don't want to answer any statements about the gun.
No, sir.
Did you know that that car was stolen?
No, sir. I think we talked about it already.
Your flip flops? Dude, I don't know where they are. Because I know one went flying in the drive-thru. I don't know where the other one went.
How did you guys get like dispatched? What was going on? Like, I remember you did tell me that the car was stolen. So
Right.
what did you guys like? I know you guys have cameras on the lights. Did y'all just like happen to see a light and say, okay, that's that stolen vehicle? I don't
We have
know.
plate readers on our car.
Like, I don't know if dispatch is the right word.
That's the right word.
Like, how did you guys get to the point where it's let's get this car, let's just chase this stolen car and box this stolen car?
Because it was
We
stolen.
got an alert.
Alert. Where would the alert? Like, I'm curious.
He's like, so I know for future reference, can you tell me how these things work? Because that would help me a lot in my theft of future motor vehicles. So could you tell me?
just trying to see like.
Jelen, that's
what
not how it
even
works.
happened.
When nothing else works, Jelen makes one final attempt by claiming that excessive force was used during the arrest. But by that point, the officer isn't buying it. Later, the Milwaukee Police Department confirms that the car Jelen was driving was in fact the stolen vehicle in question. Officers also retrieved the firearm from the scene that
extended
Jelen
magazine.
allegedly possessed. In the end, Jelen was transported to Milwaukee County Jail on the following charges: felony possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. Subsequently, his cash bond was set at $5,000, and his plea sentencing hearing is scheduled for August 11th, 2025.
Hey, that's the girl that peed on the officers. Okay. Cops did a great job. There's not much to say about this one. Jelen, the felon, he just made a mistake, guys. He stole a vehicle. He had serious business to attend to. He is a DoorDasher, platinum level. He takes his job very seriously, and he needs a vehicle in order to maintain the level of customer service that he ensures his customers. Can we really fault him for that? Can we really say he's in the wrong? Also, we don't know for sure if that was his gun. He could have, might not have been him in the body camera that dropped it. So it's just alleged at this point, you know? I give the officers an 8.6. I think they did everything by the book. They were very respectful, other than telling him to shut up a few times, which, I mean, whatever. It is what it is. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video.